I'm Mel with Every Light. We're here outside of our headquarters in Orlando, Florida. Come with me and I'll show you a glimpse into the assembly process of our flash system. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we are. Welcome to the Every Light warehouse. Today, our spotlight is on our new product, the Flash System, our most innovative, cost-effective, and convenient product yet. You'll see why in just a minute. These are the aluminum extrusion bars used with our Flash System. If you'd like to get the Flash System pre-assembled, it comes in bars of 2, 3, 4, and 5 feet in length, but they can also be cut to fit your custom needs. As you can see, we have a miter saw back here, and the bars are easily cut in less than a minute. Now, let's move on to the assembly area. This is where our newly cut bars are assembled. The Flash System uses several components that combine together to create one amazingly efficient result. All we need to do now is add the additional components, install the bars into the cabinet, add the final wiring in place, and switch it on like this. Amazing how quick and easy that was. Effortless, convenient, and done in under 10 minutes. That's it. That's how easy it is. If that wasn't enough to amaze you, wait till you see what's next. We have more surprises in store for you, something that makes the Flash System the first of its kind.